Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to set up Ledger Live wallet on new device. Okay, if you buy new computer or laptop, you need to download and install Ledger Live app. Okay, you need to go ledger.com. You can search for app and services and click Ledger Live. And then you will see this screen and you need to choose which platform you use. I use Windows, and if you use Windows 2 you should click here. I already downloaded the app, or you can also enter this in web URL. Okay, you can do on this way too. Okay, what now? Now you need to open Ledger Live and you should see this screen. When you see this screen, click Get Started. Okay, you can read this or just click here, enter Ledger app, and you need to choose your device. I will use Ledger Nano X to add account, and you can choose, depends which hardware wallet you use. Okay, Ledger Nano X. Now, this is important. First time using your Nano X node, I don't want to set up new device. Already have recovery phrase. You have option to restore your recovery phrase on a new device or connect. Because I already set up my device, that means if you already use your device regularly on other computer or laptop or mobile phone, then you need to choose this option. Just connect. Please check the box contents. If your Ledger Nano, I don't need recovery. Okay, I will now. You will first verify if my device is original. Okay, now I will power on, enter my PIN, and I am ready. Check my Nano. You can see here check marks. Okay, that means I avoid to doing these steps. Okay, allow Ledger Manager. You will see on your Ledger device this screen. Just push the both buttons. All good. You can see Ledger Engineer and ready to use. Continue. That means you don't need to provide your backup your 24 words in this step. And now you are ready to add accounts. Okay, I will now add, for example, one of my Ether accounts. Okay, add account. Choose crypto asset. Okay, I will choose. My computer is slow. I am recording my old laptop. Okay, I need to wait a little bit. Okay. Very slow. Sorry for that. No, this not. No. First, you need to choose your asset. Okay. Continue. Also, you need to open, in this case, it up on your Ledger Vault. Okay. That means if you choose Bitcoin, you need to open Bitcoin up inside your Ledger Hardware Vault. And now synchronizing with network. And you can see. Well, I will change name. Want to be the same name as I have on my new laptop. And you can see. Add account. Everything will be probably faster on your computer. And that is it. That is it. Done. You can see. I can see also my old transaction. Okay. You can click show more to see more transaction because everything is synchronized. Okay. You can see. Okay, and that is it. Now, if you want to add other account, go to accounts. And here, add account. Okay. Now I'll choose, I will add one more. For example, Litecoin. But I will need to open Litecoin up to Litecoin. Continue. I need to wait. I opened Litecoin up inside my Ledger Hardware Wallet. Here is my account, synchronizing, add account. Oh, sorry, I will change. Because I use also Ledger Nano S, I want to know which account belong to which hardware wallet, okay? I named LX1. Add account. And that is it. Now I have two accounts, Ethereum and Litecoin. And then you just click add account again, or if you inside portfolio, you need to click here accounts and then add accounts. Okay, you can see now. Go to accounts. And again add account, and you add one by one. If you want to export these accounts to have it on mobile phone, you, for example, just bought a new phone, you have one great option. You don't need to add one by one account inside your mobile phone. You just go to accounts, export accounts, export. Now you open up inside mobile phone, go to view all assets, should be on the top right side, and then you need to tap on the plus symbol and you need to scan this code. When you're done, you will see from 0 to 100%. When you're done, when you see 100%, you just click also done, and you will have just in one step all accounts that you added on your computer. You will have it on your mobile phone, and that is it. I hope this is clear for you. If you want to buy a new hardware wallet, I will provide my affiliate links. I highly recommend that Ledger Nano X because of battery. When you set up as a new device, your device does not require to be connected with your computer, which is much better for security. Also, because of battery, you can go to shop where crypto is accepted and use your wallet on the safe way with hardware wallet via Bluetooth. And also there is 2 megabytes memory. You can have many apps installed. I will show you, for example, how much I have it inside my Ledger Nano X. Please wait a minute. Because this is my old computer, old laptop, and much slower, especially when I record in the screen. But I hope this is useful for you, and you can see how to add accounts from scratch. Okay, you just need to download app as I described, open, and you will see screen should be the same as you seen in this video, and you can see app installed. I will click. I have much more space. You can see how many apps I have, and this is my favorite coins. Also, you can see Solana, Polygon, NEAR. This is very hot coin. Litecoin, Phantom, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Cardano, Bitcoin, and you can see this is used less than half megabytes, and I have much more. You can see 1.3 megabytes. Okay, and that is it in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and see you in some next videos about crypto security. I don't like to predict any price, but I very care about crypto security because there are many hacks and many people, this is said, still use some software wallets without hardware wallet protection. This is bad. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in some of next videos. Bye.